Hey everyone, welcome to Westanime tutorials that we can learn more about the basics. Let's learn about long division in this video. Quick recap of division. Division is separating a number into groups of the same number. Now long division has 4 easy steps. We start with the largest place value. We divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down from the next place value. Let's see how it works. Say we are going to divide 48 divided by 2. Let's rewrite 48 divided by 2 into this format. We start with the largest place value, 4. 4 can be divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4, and we minus, there's nothing left. We bring down the next number, which is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8, we write it down below, and we minus, we get 0. 48 divided by 2, the answer is 24. Next, we have 51 divided by 3. We start from the largest place value, which is on the 10th place, 5. 5 cannot be divided equally by 3, so we have to think, what times 3 is close enough to 5? Which is 1. What 3 times 1 is 3. We write 3 below the number 5, and we minus to get the remainder 2. We bring down the next place value, which is number 1, to make it 21. 21 can be divided by 3, which is 7. 7 times 3 is 21. We minus, you should get no remainders. Finally, you get your answer. 51 divided by 3 is 17. Next, we look at the question involving hundreds. 256 divided by 4. We start with the hundreds place, which is 2. Now 2 cannot be divided equally with 4, so we skip the hundreds place to the tens place. We make it 25. Now 25 can be close enough to divide by 4, which is 6. 6 times 4, which is 24. And 25 minus 24, we get your remainder 1. Now we bring down the 6 to make it 16 from the ones place. 16 can be divided equally by 4, which is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. We minus, we get no remainders. 256 divided by 4, the answer is 64. Next, we look at 309 divided by 3. We start with the hundreds place, 3. 1 times 3 is equal to 3. So, we minus the 3, we get no remainders. We bring the next place value, which is 0. Now, there's no number can be divided by 3. So, we put 0 times 3, which is 0, and we move on to the next place value, which is 9, and we bring it down. 9 can be divided by 3, which is 3. 3 times 3 equals to 9. When we minus, we should get no remainders. And your answer to this question is 103. Now let's look at our final example, which we have to divide with thousands. 1785 we divided by 5. So we start on the thousands place. 1. 1 cannot be divided by 5, so we skip to the hundreds place to 17. 17 is close enough divided by 5, which is 3. So 3 times 5 is 15, and we minus, we get 2. And we bring down the next place value, which is number 8, to make it 28. 5 times 5 is 25, which is the closest multiplication. And we minus, we should get the remainder 3. And we bring down the ones place value, which is 5, to make it 35. Now 7 times 5 is 35. So we minus, and we should get no remainders. The answer to this question is 357. To remember the 4 steps of long division, which is divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down, is: does McDonald's sell burgers? Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share our video, and subscribe for more videos to come.